Huwag mong subukan makipagtaguan ng bola kay Efren Reyes dahil mapapahiya ka lang. Gaya ng ginawa niya dito sa play na ito.
Yeah, I like to wait a little bit longer because I really believe when you talk to how it keeps going. Don't forget we have some there that I think the chance to derail him, that one Canadian player, and of course Shannon himself. But he played perfect against Earl. And Earl's playing very well. But at any rate, Efren, we'll just see. I mean,
Gumawa ng safety shot ang kalaban ni Efren at tiwala na mahihirapan dito si The Magician. Sinagot naman ito ni Efren ng isang pambihirang two-rail kick shot at walang kahirap-hirap na naipasok ang one ball.
Oh, you're absolutely correct.
No, it's kicking, no problem.
Great. There's no flaws. If you're trying to press me